Welcome to the latest release of CluedIn and your brand new refreshed user experience and UI dashboard. We wanted to make sure we match the familiarity of using other types of Microsoft tools, and so you'll find this environment very familiar if you're using other Microsoft technology. Let's walk you through some of the new features and functionalities. Let's start with the fact that upskilling, training, and videos are directly available from the home screen. Let's go to the fact that we've now added support for open standard file formats. Things like Parquet, just as one example. So we can handle all of the kind of modern analytical data as well. In addition to this, we've added support for cell level security. This allows you to set up policies that allow you to filter down to the column and row level. Imagine you're wanting to say, give access to just the email for a user or a role for a particular record. Using the same friendly user interface and rule builder for building other types of data policies like golden record rules or survivorship rules, you have the same ability to slice the data down to a very granular level. Let's go take a look at the new workflow builder. Let's head in where we might want to create brand new workflow processes for maybe approving new types of business domains in the MDM platform. Now, as we dive into the workflow builder, you'll find that this environment should look pretty familiar if you're already using a lot of the Power Platform in Microsoft. CluedIn has now embedded the Power Automate flow directly within the platform itself. So you can build and augment workflow processes directly from the CluedIn user interface. CluedIn does all of the wiring up for you, so no need to plumb or integrate systems together. This is done out of the box. In addition to this, you can leverage the hundreds of connectors that are already out of the box with Power Automate, including things like Slack, maybe Dynamics, maybe HubSpot, maybe some of the new AI techniques as well. There is not a simpler way to be able to build workflows of escalation, multiple steps of approval, and this is embedded directly within the CluedIn interface itself. In addition to this, we've done a lot of work on UX and user interface and simplicity to make sure that documentation, helpful videos, and articles are directly available within the CluedIn platform itself. Here, there's no easier way to get started, as this will kind of walk you through all the processes of implementing the platform. If you ever need help, you can now directly reach out for support directly from the CluedIn user interface as well. In addition to this, we've added support for all of the components within Microsoft Fabric and more. Let's just say we want to get our data out to systems like Azure AI Studio, Databricks, Data Activator, Real-Time Intelligence, or maybe just OneLake. These are now one click away from being able to get your clean and harmonized data out to these systems so you can start to generate insights. This is just one of the more reasons why CluedIn is the most native MDM and data quality system for the Microsoft Azure ecosystem. Enjoy.